want to learn digital marketing because I have aspirations to run my own businesses in the future.
Why do I want to learn digital marketing? I see it as a future-proof myself, as I'm seeing more and more business being disrupted, and there are more business being acquired and changed in a short amount of time. So our day job may not be guaranteed. So I want to equip myself better in this digital age.
So Pyro joining Next Academy Bootcamp, basically I was just like searching online how things work and how things not working. But then I find it that I kind of understand, but I don't know how to apply in real life. That's why I signed up for this course. Hopefully can learn everything and understand how to apply it. The expectation is way higher than what I originally expected. I thought it's like just you come to the class, then to the lecturer, or do all these things. But then it's not just that the tutor is good. They hire like all these like experts from certain field. Anything that you don't understand, even like stupid questions, they will help you. They will just like patiently guide you through everything. So I think that's helpful because like we can find answer on Google, but then sometimes we found the answer but we don't understand it. By them explaining everything to you, that make you understand more how to apply on digital marketing.
As soon as I joined, I realized that it's covered more than I expect. It have the landing page, SEO, paid ads, non-paid ads, email marketing, and so on. I think these are the exact topics that I need to prepare myself to go into the world outside.
Overall, it was fun, it was engaging. I got to see how the different areas of digital marketing was applied, how it's used in the industry, and the trainers helped to make sense of all of it. We got to do group activities where we got to see different groups present different methods, and we asked a lot of questions during the sessions.
During the 5 weeks of the course, I actually started to do some freelance before the course ended. I'm very confident with the knowledge that I have, and I can apply it immediately in the marketplace. As I work, I take what I learned from the class and it really sees some result from there.
I'm actually coming from creative background. Maybe a lot of people don't think that will apply on the creative journey, but I find out it's actually helpful a lot. For example, when you come out a campaign or landing page and all, now you think that how to make the landing page reachable, how to direct sales, how to get lead and all. Not just that, like even like the tracking and measuring cost is like things not working, how you make it work. The A/B testing and all is going to apply even like in Google Analytics. It will help you to measure your user journey. That's very important in the creative and even like advertising and all. So it's going to help.